Estimado Elliot, perdóname por mi español. Está bien, pero no está perfecto. Pero tú sabes, necesito la práctica y también tú estuviste el solo otro gringo en nuestra clase de español de AP. El tiempo que tuvimos juntos no fue muy largo, pero fue muy especial. Hemos tenido muchas memorias juntos y estoy muy agradecida para todos. Espero que te pueda ver pronto y también yo prometo te voy a visitar en Francia. Te deseo lo mejor. Te amo, Taylor.
Well, Elliot, I remember the first day I met you. It was just me, you, and Alec, and we went to go watch a movie, and that was Thor Ragnarok. But you fell asleep. But then from there, I met you at this kickback we had, and I got lit and stuff for the first time ever, and you were pretty much like a dad that day, and I remember. And then from there, our friendship kind of grew, and then you started making me take you places and give you ride places and all that. And I was driving illegally, but you shamed me for it, but you still made me do it. But you kind of made my life more adventurous, and I really appreciate you for that. And just know that you won't be forgotten, and I promise I'll go visit you in France one day. Bye.
Hi, Elliot. Hi, I miss you. We're gonna miss you so much. Thanks for all the memories we had.
Honestly, yeah, I'm so sad that you came this one day and I wasn't there, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I saw your story, I was mad.
And I hope you have a great year in France, and you're gonna live in our hearts forever.
Yes.
And we love you.
And we want to visit you.
Yeah.
In our vacation. Bye.
Love you.